Kia has continued to make a good thing better with frequent updates to its Telluride 3-row SUV that have kept it competitive, and it's Cars.com's best family car of 2024. When we evaluate what makes a great family car, we look for good crash test scores, standard safety features, and how well it accommodates families of all sizes. The Telluride hits all of those marks. For 2024, there are only small tweaks, but the 2023 Telluride gained an available digital dashboard and standard larger media touchscreen that significantly modernized the interior. What hasn't changed is that the Telluride is welcoming for families who need to use all 3 rows of seats. There's easy access to the 3rd row via a one-touch button slide feature on 2nd row chairs, and the 3rd row itself is certainly manageable for adults. The Telluride is also good for families with younger children, as it performed well in our child safety seat installation tests. The Telluride does all of this with a focus on value. The bulk of what we appreciate comes at its starting price of just over $37,000, though the $55,000 version is still appropriately priced considering the quality and luxuriousness it offers. Add it all up, and the 2024 Kia Telluride is Cars.com's best family car of 2024.